AC to DC PFC converter fed BLDCM ceiling fan. Abstract. This work introduces a sensorless AC to DC power factor corrected converter fed brushless DC motor ceiling fan with high frequency transformer isolation. Here is our website, which you can find the EEE projects and explore various other domains on www.takeoffprojects.com. From EEE simulations to projects spanning diverse fields, our website offers a rich collection to satisfy your curiosity. Whether you're seeking titles or abstracts, our platform provides easy access to the project resources. Embark on a journey of discovery and innovation by visiting our website today and dive into the world of exciting projects and research.
Document.
In Document, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, keywords in different stages based on project. Take note of keywords as chapters, proposed system, result discussion, conclusion, future scope and references.
PPT.
In PPT, we can provide abstract, introduction, literature survey, existing method, disadvantages, proposed method, proposed block diagram, simulation block diagram, and results. Advantages, applications, software and hardware requirements, conclusion, future scope, and references.
Results.
This work illustrates a sensorless BLDC motor drive system powered by a high-frequency transformer isolated AC to DC power factor corrected converter, the PFCC, operating in discontinuous conduction mode, ensures improved power quality and natural power factor correction. The high-frequency transformer provides isolation and regulates the output voltage via auxiliary winding feedback. The voltage source inverter drives the BLDC motor using line voltage sensing for sensorless electronic commutation. The control unit includes a PWM generator, voltage controller, and reference voltage generator for regulating voltage and frequency. Thank you for watching. For more details, contact 9030 333 433.